Hello, my dear 8th standard students. Science first chapter, crop production and management. We'll do. This is a new syllabus for you. Crop production. Crop production means producing or growing crops. It is called crop production. Why we grow crops? Because we need food. We get food from those grains. So growing crops means producing food grains is called crop production. Crop production means what? Producing or growing food grains is called crop production. Man has developed an idea to grow crops because some 1,000 years or million years back, man did not know how to get food for him. He wandered in forest in search of food. He began to kill or hunt animals and he ate flesh of those animals. He ate raw fruits and vegetables which are grown in the forest. But later, man with his idea, he began to grow grains. That is called crop production. Food grains, producing food grains is called crop production. For producing food grains, agriculture is very essential. Agriculture means growing food grains in the soil is called agriculture. For this agriculture practice, farmers do this agricultural practice. They grow food grains and they provide food for all people. In our country, population is more, so we need more food grains. So farmers cultivate land and produce crops. How these farmers produce grains? In the soil. They cultivate land. They take some area of land which is suitable for growing food grains and they cultivate in that land. That is called agriculture. Crop production, just now I told, producing or growing food grains is called crop production. After producing these food grains, they have to be maintained or managed. That is called crop management. Because for 1 year, these food grains must meet the needs of all people. All people should get food grains for 1 year. So they have to manage these food grains by maintaining, or they have to store in a cold storage so that these food grains may not get spoiled. So for that food grains storage is there. That cold storage will maintain the quality of food grains. It will not allow the food grains to get spoiled. That is called crop management. Now we'll see agricultural practice. Farmers do agriculture. They grow crops in the land. It means soil is there. So soil is most important. A particular quality or a fertile soil is very essential for growing food grains, for doing agricultural practice. Roots can breathe. See, soil should be loosened. Farmers, what they do? They plow the soil. By plowing, the soil become loose. Why they make this soil loose? Because the loose soil will allow the roots to absorb water and minerals from the soil. The roots can respire easily. In the soil there are useful microorganisms like bacteria and earthworm. These bacteria and earthworm, they make the soil fertile. They help the soil to grow crops properly. And these bacteria and earthworm, they provide nutrients to the soil, and these nutrients are absorbed by plants again. Some dead plants and animals, some dead plants are there in the soil, they are buried under the earth, they are decomposed, they are changed into useful nutrients. These nutrients are absorbed by plants and they are grown properly. So this is all about agricultural practice. Farmers do agriculture. For this purpose, they loosen the soil by plowing. This loosened soil will help the roots to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and the roots can respire easily. And microorganisms and earthworm are present in the soil. They make the soil fertile. They supply nutrients to the soil, which is very essential for plants. Understood? This is all about agricultural practice. In the next, we'll see another topic. Till then, goodbye.